Hello everyone, today we are just going to make a video on conductors and insulators, and I'm just going to show you a practical example that how a particular electrical circuit work. So let's start that video. So everyone, here you can see that there is a simple circuit. That is, my charger is connected to the power bank, and when I will just make the switch on, then it will start charging. So in this case, what we can say that the electrons from the source, they are just flowing through this conducting wire and it is reaching to that of power bank. So what are the conductors actually? The conductors are working as a path for the flow of the electrons. That means in this case, for this small electrical circuit, this is working as a load, and in this case, this is a simple circuit. The charger circuit is present over here, and the electrons or the current which is entering through this terminal, it is flowing through the wire and it is moving to the load here. Right? So this is the working of a simple electric circuit. In this case, as you can see that on the outer portion of the conductor, there is a covering is done. Some plastic or some rubber covering is done. This is the insulating material. What is an insulator? Insulator is a bad conductor of electricity. First point. Second point, that insulators, through the insulators, the electrons are not able to flow, because there is no availability of free electrons, and the insulators are used for the safety devices or for the safety purposes of electrical appliances. As you can see that in this switch, there is a layering is there. This layering is known as a layering of bakelite. Thus, whenever I'm just touching it and I'm just making the switch on, I'm not experiencing any shock also. Okay, so we can say that the insulators which are used in this for the covering of this switch, even for the covering for the outer portion, for making the outer portion of this connecting wire also, right? So in this case, we have understood that how a conductor and how an insulator works. The main difference between a conductor and insulator, that a conductor is having more and more free electrons. That's why the electric current can pass through the conducting wire, but the insulating material does not have any free electrons, so the electric current cannot pass. That's why we can use them for safety of different electrical appliances. Right, as you can see here that inside of this wiring there are the conducting wires, but whenever I'm just touching it, I'm not able to experience any shock. So we can see that we are using the insulating material as a safety devices. The name of the conductors, you can say that the gold, even silver, iron, copper, even the salt water also is working as a conductor. Now for the case of insulators, you can take the example of plastic, rubber, wood, what are the other things through which the electric current cannot pass. Thank you.